Hey guys, welcome back to our Penny Homestead. Now today I've got a super easy DIY project for you to do that will make a great addition to your garden. All you'll need to do this is a box of screws and one of these, a giant cable reel. So let's give it a go. Okay, so now we've used all of the wood from the cable reel itself, and at this stage you've got some options. You can put it into use exactly how it is right now and it'll be lovely. Or if you've got some old pallets lying around, you can make up little boxes and fill this whole wall up with staged boxes in whatever arrangement you feel. You can varnish it or paint it whatever colour you like to protect the wood. One thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rust-proof paint to paint the metal. I'm going to fit a porous liner on the inside of the drum to protect the inside of the wood from rotting too early. And I'm also going to fit lots of different boxes all along here. So let's get on with that bit next. If you've enjoyed this DIY project and would like to support us here at the channel, then please do hit that like button, as it helps us with the algorithm. If you'd like to see more great project ideas, or just follow us on our homesteading journey, then do subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Do take care of yourselves out there, and I'll see you next time.